Error 771 and 772 don't have to ruin your Roblox fun. Let's troubleshoot together. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are looking at Roblox Error Code 772, an error that usually pops up when the server you are trying to join is full, no longer exists, or when your firewall or antivirus is blocking Roblox's web components. Stick around as we break adjust your security settings so you can get back into Roblox without interruptions. Method 1. Wait and retry. Error 772 usually means the server is full or no longer exists, so you can wait a few minutes and try again. If the issue persists, join a different server to bypass the capacity problem. Method 2. Check firewall or antivirus settings. The Roblox errors can also occur when your firewall or antivirus blocks Roblox's web components. To fix that, allow Roblox through your security software. Here is how to do it. Open the Windows Security app using the search menu. Now click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. After that, tap on the Allow an app through firewall option from the right side pane and then press the Change Settings button. Next, click on the Allow another app button and then press the Browse button to select the game.exe file. Click on Open and then click on the Add button. You will now see Roblox under the list of allowed apps and features. Tick the checkbox associated with the game and enable it on both public and private networks. Once done, you can press the OK button to save changes. Finally, you can relaunch Roblox and check if it is loading properly. You can also temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to test. Method 3. Flush DNS cache and reset winsock. Search for CMD in Windows Search, then right-click on Command Prompt and select the Run as Administrator. Run these commands in the elevated Command Prompt window. Once you finish running all the commands, exit Command Prompt and relaunch Roblox. Method 4. Change DNS. Press Win+R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste this in the Run command box and press Enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internal Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use these DNS server address section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Relaunch Roblox and check if the issue is fixed. Method 5. Restart your router or modem. Teleportation errors often stem from unstable or interrupted internet connection. So power off your router or modem for 30 seconds, turn it back on and reconnect to Roblox. Method 6. Disable VPNs or proxies. VPNs and proxy servers can interfere with Roblox's ability to connect properly. So turn off any active VPN or proxy servers. Try reconnecting to Roblox without them. Method 7. Switch internet connection. Different connection types can improve stability. So when you are experiencing Roblox error 771 and 772, try switching the internet connection. If using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection. If already wired, test with Wi-Fi to see if performance improves. Method 8. Check Roblox server status. Sometimes the issue on Roblox's end can be as well. So visit this website and check the Roblox server status. If there is a problem-wide outage, wait until Roblox resolves it. Roblox error 772 can be frustrating, but the good news is that it's often caused by simple issues like server capacity or firewall restrictions. By waiting and retrying, joining a different server, or allowing Roblox through your security software, you will clear the error and restore smooth gameplay. If this guide helped you fix error 772, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more practical gaming solutions, and share your own Roblox troubleshooting tips in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.